Never know what you're going to get on Salty Abandon. Yep. Alright. Here we go. I'm a realtor, and I always need my phone. I need more bars when I sail away from home. I go across the Gulf, across Florida Bay. I anchor in the Keys where I want to stay longer. Yes, anchoring for days. Work from the boat and still get to play. I'm a sailor, but let's be real. Gotta make a living to pay my bills. Did the research, and here's what I found. The box came today at 18 pounds. About to share with you the contents inside with knowledge on the subject that I can provide. First thing we have is the outside antenna. I'll put it up high on the starboard spreader. Then I'll run the cable down the inside mast, and an anometer cable follows that path. Cable will exit under sink in the head. Connect to the booster and we're moving ahead. Went for the upgrade signal at the helm. We'll have to test it later and get it on film. Next we have the inside antenna. It can be pointed to the one on the spreader. Now you might be wondering who's gonna do the work. I'm not ashamed to say so, don't be a jerk. Zern Rigging's gonna climb up on the mast. Electrician Mike will come in last. He'll hide the cables and all of the wires. Hardwire the butcher so I don't start a fire. Let me know if you have any questions, or you might offer me suggestions. I hope y'all enjoyed today my rhymes. Be kind in the comments, I don't rap full time.